Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel and to episode 2 of our series Think in English. In the last video, we talked about a simple but powerful tip, which was naming objects around you in English. The video link is in the description. Today we're taking it up a notch by moving from single words to full simple sentences. Next step to start thinking in English is to form simple sentences about your surroundings. It's all about connecting what you see with what you're thinking, but now in English. For example, look around and describe what's happening. Let's say I'm sitting at my desk, or this chair is comfortable. These are short, basic sentences, but by creating them in your head, you're training your brain to stay in English mode. Start with something easy. Complete the sentence with things around you. I am working. I am hungry. This room is quiet. The goal is to stop using your native language and just let English flow naturally in your thoughts. And hey, if you come across something you don't know how to describe, don't stress. Look it up, learn the phrase in English, and repeat it to yourself. For example, the drawer is open or the window is closed. Little by little, this will feel more automatic. Now, here's a fun challenge for you. For the next 24 hours, pick one simple sentence to describe something around you and think it in English throughout the day. It could be anything. I'm walking to the store, or my coffee is hot. Keep it short, keep it simple, and trust me, it will get easier. And that's it for today's tip. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. See you in the next episode, and remember, practice makes progress.